Hello crafty friends, it's Jess from jesscrafts.com, and today I'm going to do a live video. I don't do these very often, but I thought it was just the best way to present what I wanted to share with you today. I recently picked up this tool from Stamper's Secret, and I got it on Etsy, but it looks like they have their own website as well. They make the Debbie tool, which is a pressure tool that you can use to get good impressions with your stamp press, and it's really great for people who have arthritis or any sort of condition that makes using your hands and applying pressure difficult. So they had a new tool that is a stamp conditioning tool, and I wanted to give it a try because I do notice that stamps out of the package do not give a great first impression, and I stamp it a lot with my Misty, and so I can stamp it multiple times, but then sometimes you're adding too much ink, etc. I don't know. I like to support a fellow crafter where I can. And so since a fellow crafter designed this, I thought I'd give it a shot. It is a tool that has a leather bottom, and the idea is that the leather will help condition your stamp, but having it on a tool like this makes it a little bit easier than rubbing like a loose piece of leather on it. It gives you good even pressure, that kind of thing. And it's pretty. So I want the pretty for my craft room. Anyway, I have an MFT stamp set where I've used some, but not all of the images. So I'm going to use 2 images that I've never stamped before. So they're brand new stamps, even though, as you can see from staining, some of the rest of my collection, some of the rest of the stamps are not brand new. So I'll put one little boy here and the other over here. And I'm going to stamp both the first time, but one I will condition first. I'm going to use some colored Lawn Fawn ink. Lawn Fawn are the only colored inks that I have besides Distress, just because I wanted to pick one collection and stick with it. But I do notice that colored inks make it a little bit easier to, I think it makes it easier to see what's going on with this, having tried it a few times. So here, no conditioning. Stamp him down. This is just a piece of scrap cardstock, very similar to what I would ordinarily use. I want to make sure I give it a second to let the ink sink in. And then we'll condition the other one. So I'm just going to take the tool and gently rub it. Whoop. And as you can see, having that handle makes it easy. I don't know if there's a specific, like, how long you're supposed to do this or whatever, but it seems just a couple of seconds of rubbing it is often enough. And again, ink it up with the same exact ink and the same exact conditions and paper and all of that, just to see if it makes a difference that is worth it. I know some people, because you can stamp with your Misty and you'll get a great impression because you can stamp it over and over and over again, but not everyone wants to buy the Misty tool. And the Misty tool isn't always convenient to use if you want to like stamp lots of little things. So it can be really nice if you have something that will help you get a good impression with your stamps. I also find I get a good impression when my stamps are just more conditioned from being stamped a lot. So you might not need this tool, but I just want to see how it does and let you know how it does, because I think so far that it's worth it. All right, hopefully my camera will keep zoomed in for you guys. You can see this guy has been treated and conditioned, and this one has not, and it's just a little bit splotchier. And that might not be a big deal to some people, but I will say that this tool does seem to condition your stamps, and I'd give it a thumbs up. I love to support small businesses, and so I will leave you a link in the video description. It won't be an affiliate link because I don't have an affiliate with Etsy or anything like that. I want, like I said, I want to support another crafter. If another crafter has come out with an idea for how to make our lives easier or more fun as stampers, that's awesome. So thanks to Debbie at Stamper's Secret, and I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.